Sal D'Alia for Adorama TV, and this is a quick hands-on video on the new 60mm f1.8 G lens. This new 60mm is a compact and lightweight wide-angle lens designed for both photography and video. At just 304 grams, which is 0.6 pounds, it's easy to carry while still delivering excellent optical performance. I brought the lens to Central Park with model Jessica to test some of the features. It has 15 elements in 12 groups and a 2-blade circular aperture, which is what will give you nice creamy bokeh. It also maintains a strong corner-to-corner resolution, which is key for wide-angle lenses. You can see when I zoom in on the corner of the images that there is little to no distortion and definitely sharpness. I also love how actually sharp it is in the center, especially when you're trying to shoot wide open to get that subject to pop. It's also great how it's communicating with the camera and by using the eye autofocus. Even if your subject is small within the frame, it's still gonna go and capture it and keep it very sharp. Or in these photos, you can see I asked her to throw snow at me to test the autofocus. And in every single shot, both camera and lens working together, they never failed to keep the eyes in focus. Besides the optical performance, I was very impressed with the focus distance. As you can see, it allows at 0.15 meters for incredible close-up shots with good detail retention. It almost feels like using a macro lens. It has an internal focusing system driven by two XD linear motors, which ensures smooth and quiet autofocus. I believe this is amazing, especially for gimbal work. You can see I'm using the Ronin and the autofocus is precise, smooth, and never loses the subject, which is the most important thing for gimbal work. I also tested the lens by shooting handheld, and if you turn the active mode on, you can see how smooth the movements are. Also, the focus breathing is minimal, which is a big plus for video application. Also, what I think is the best feature as a wide angle for gimbal is the fact that it has a 67mm filter thread, so it makes it very easy to use any filter on it. For example, for this video, I just had to use the same filters that I have for my 35mm 1.4. I do own the 14mm, which is a great lens. The problem with that lens is that you can only use rear filters, so I really do like that this 16mm can use a front filter. Overall, it's a solid option for those needing a fast, wide-angle lens with strong optical and video performance in a lightweight package. I'm personally considering switching from my 14 to the 16 because I use the lens often for video and on gimbals. But I'm curious to know your thoughts. Leave a comment below and subscribe to Adorama TV. I'll see you next time.